Everything that was gonna be easy. Everything going pretty. Give me problems. I had to loosen all the bolts back up. Had to loosen all the bolts back up and shift the torque converter. Cause one of the holes in the flywheel, it wasn't really all the way watered out, I guess I'd say. Well, the bolt can go straight in like the other one did, so I had to shift it a little bit. And now that I'm doing that, now I'm wrapping everything up. So I'm finna get ready to go back over all of them. Which shouldn't take too goddamn long. But most all of them already halfway down. I just bagged them out enough I can get the flywheel to flex just a little bit. Now I'm finna rotate everything back over. Get finna cinching everything down. And gonna do it like that. Depending on how much time I got, I might even throw that start in. I don't know. Okay, these gonna go in smooth then. Yep, and one thing about cars, it's always gonna be one. I'm gonna try to give you a problem. But we figured everything out. Rotating the motor with the flywheel tool. And we could give everything that final little cinch down. We'll be good. We can move on to the next thing, which is gonna be putting a start on. Then I come up top and do the shifter like I was talking about. So yeah, we getting everything done. We're getting it done. We're making it happen. And I always tell myself, ain't nobody coming to save you out. Two more. One more. I ain't gonna count this one. I'm gonna hit this one now. I got one more after this one. And it'll be a wrap on the flywheel and the torque converter. Always gonna be one of them. We'll try to go against the grain. Stay focused. Handle your business. Figure it out. I'm gonna do it every time. Now this one that was giving me problems, but I already got it started, so now I just gotta complete the project, complete the mission. Get finna cinching it all the way down. We got Loctite on all the bolts. They're gonna be my last one right here. My last one right here. Last one right here. If I do anything, let me make sure y'all still got the A1 brew. There we go. Make sure y'all got the same brew I got. almost there. She coming through right now. She coming through right now. There we go. Whoo! Hey. That'll do it. All my torque converter bolts made it with the flywheel, baby. Well, the mission completed. The mission that I wanted to do today is complete. I got my torque converter. I got my transmission adjustable mount dropped in the cross member, scraped, got it torqued down. I just put all my bolts in my torque converter. That's done. And man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. It's Mississippi TV. Y'all tap in with that boy. Bet I ain't smoking on YouTube, so I ain't lying. Like, comment, subscribe. Man, tell somebody so they tell somebody about the boy, man. Highway 45, bringing down the center of Clay County. Man, y'all already know that my neck of the wood back home, baby. Stay tuned for the next one, baby.